It's not about us. It's the exercise of the democratic process.
Pero sir, may perception na you just want this for your business.
That is a perception, and that is precisely why our letter explained otherwise.
It's not all about money, no? It's also, sabi ko nga kanina, out of concern also sa publiko and to the rights of other sectors like the candidates, di ba? Mawalan sa napagkataon na paabot ng kung anong mensahe na sa publiko. In the same manner that the public will be deprived, as I said, of the right to kung anong gusto nilang malaman from their candidates. Maybe this can be an opportunity when there is a hearing, no, where we can explain further our side. But siguro pwede rin pumunahan because there was that mention na kung sundin natin yung batas on limitations on spending, the 3 pesos per voter, baka sumubra na o mag-violate na yung mga kandidato dahil sigurado susobra. But reality dictates that it's not the case in campaigning. Candidates would most often, program their spending sa kampanya. Hindi lahat na istasyon, hindi lahat na area nilalagyan nila. What they do is that they select the areas where they are weak, lagyan nila ng kunti. Hindi ibig sabihin natin, consume of 180 minutes. Ang ibig sabihin yung 120, 180 minutes niyan, sa paningin namin, dapat binigay yan, kahit maximize pa nila, or kalahati, whatever amount of it would be used up, parang dyan yan as freedom given to them to make a choice. Whether 120, 180, 180 is the maximum, but they can go lower than that. So bakit mo pigilan? But why would you bar somebody who can, spend ubusin niya 180 in one area, and yet hindi naman sa gastos sa kabila. So there is no violation that would happen. It has still to be within the bounds of the 3 peso per voter law that we have right now.